Welcome to Rejuvy Juice Life, where health and wellness meet. Today we're going to be doing a honeydew detox. Our ingredients are cucumber, fresh cucumber, honeydew melon, pineapple chunks, ice, and water. So we're going to be cutting the honeydew in half. Watch your fingers. And once you cut it, we're just going to scoop out the seeds. Okay, from there, Ninja, IQ, a half a cup of melon, two cucumbers, or two halves of a cucumber. We're going to add the melon. And we're also going to add a half a cup of pineapple chunks. We're also going to add a fourth of water. And we're also going to add some ice. Probably about 3 cubes should be sufficient. So now we have all the ingredients combined in our Ninja container, and we're going to blend. And what the pineapple does is help detoxify your system. So, and the cucumber will decrease bloating. And what you have is a delicious, refreshing, healthy, nutritious drink. You can put it in this mason jar. It's great because it has an airtight lid, and you can keep it in your fridge for up to 7 days. You will love this drink. You will thoroughly enjoy it, and it's great for everyone.